Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about some basic questions what usually come up for any new trader. And the first question is, how much money do you need to start day trading? My answer is zero, and let me explain why. Think about it, what will happen if you will start trading with your real money without the experience. My guess is that, unfortunately, 99% you will lose all your money in very short periods of time. That's why my first recommendation is always to start trading on a demo account. You can open demo account with any broker and you can start to learn how to trade little by little. If you're interested, I can recommend TD Ameritrade or Interactive Brokers. I personally had very good experience with them. Please, don't neglect this demo trading experience. Don't start trading with real money right away. Remember that this is not easy at all and can be very risky. So, before you start trading on the live account, you need to prove your profitability and build your own strategy. It's very important. Okay, the second question that I would like to talk about is whether it worth buying someone else's signals and paid subscription to various signal charts. In my personal opinion, no, we are not worth it, and I think that at the beginning of trader's journey, they can be even harmful. Because first, you need to spend time on studying technical and fundamental analysis in order to be able to quickly read charts and make certain decisions by yourself without any signals. I don't see that a good idea to copy the trades of any guru. You will simply be wasting your time that you could rather spend on developing your own strategy that will suit you and your trading style. So, my advice is, better invest your money on education. Maybe buy an online course of a trader you like. Watch as many videos as possible on YouTube and other platforms. But don't waste your time on the chat rooms and don't trade following someone else's signals. This is definitely not a good idea. Get into the habits of reviewing your statistic every day. It's very important to analyze and evaluate on your trades, entries and exits, and also make homework for the next day. Summing up, I want to say that I made all these mistakes myself in the beginning, which cost me a lot, just trust me. And that's why I consider it important to draw your attention to these basic things. Keep in mind that, in some cases, it takes many years to become profitable in the stock market. So take your time and be very careful. Start learning and practicing on the simulator at least a few months or even a year before putting your real money into your trading account. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and bye for now.